Andrea Spano, and I'm going to be showing you how to make nut dough today from my new book, Not Just Desserts. Okay, so before we start our nut dough, there's a few pieces of equipment that I think you should have on hand before you start the whole process. They're very simple pieces of equipment. I have a large stainless steel bowl, a medium-sized bowl, a sifter, measuring cups. I have a large one, I have the individual ones, a little bit of salt, I have a little salt shaker there, and a hand mixer. You'll need all that before you start your torte. So this way you have the dry ingredients. We're going to be mixing the dry ingredients together, sifting them together, and then creaming the margarine and the sugar, and then we're going to unite everything. So in the next segment, that's what we'll be doing. I'll show you how to cream the ingredients and what that means.